Hi, this is Greg Granger, the Affiliate Marketing Gangsta, here again with another review video. This one, this time, is for Neil Moran's Commissions Lead Machine. And I've got access to the front end of the training. So we're going to quickly go through it here. What Commissions Lead Machine is the exact system that Neil has used himself to maintain top 10 on the leaderboard in the program that he is personally promoting. So let's go through quickly to the members area, and so we'll go forward. Just so here's the training, the members area of Commissions Lead Machine. So this is so as you see here, he's promoting a program called OLSP. So what he's showing you here is the steps he's used. First, you want to fix up your Facebook profile. To do a few certain things to make it look professional. Because God knows there's a lot of, I've seen a lot of Facebook profiles out there that I'd be saying, oh my God, you call that professional? It looks like a 5-year-old put it together. No offense, but that's just the way it is. So he shows you how to make it look professional in this step here. And there's a resource here on how to do a proper cover image. And the use of GIMP in memes. He also says use Canva, which is another free utility, canva.com or GIMP, either way. To me, I prefer GIMP because it's got more of a Photoshop look to it. And now you're into creating quick feed videos, adding buyers. So that's adding buyers to your buyer list. Now, there is a proper way on Facebook to promote affiliate offers safely without getting banned or getting the old heave-ho for like 1 week, 2 weeks, a month. And that would really hurt if you got kicked off for a month. I know. I've been there. So this is the case study where he's taken his earnings to $916 in 1 week. I'm not going to play any of that because that's part of the product. But so there we are. That's the second part of it, angles and capitalizing. And then this is the second case study in the front end where he gives you step by step of how he created a $1,477 promotion. And then there's some of his bonuses. Later on in the video, I'll show you all the bonuses that you will receive if you decide to purchase from my link. And in fact, there's this page right here. So this is my bonuses page for commission commissions lead machine. So what exactly is commissions lead machine? Well, like I said before, this is a technique backed by a ton of proof, including 2 case studies and done-for-you images, videos, and a landing page. Case study 1, where he generated $916, and then the case study 2, where he did a $1,477 promotion. Now for the upsells, upsell 1 is the commissions lead machine software, which is $47. Generate buyer leads on autopilot. It's a powerful Chrome plugin that allows you to turn your Facebook feed and Messenger into a commission machine, allowing you to organize, engage, and follow up with your Facebook leads. Upsell number 2 is comments domination. This is a brand new system where the customers will be able to not only able to drive massive engagement on their posts, but they'll also be able to make money from every comment. Upsell 3, which is $97, is the master classes, where your customers will get live training to help them to get the best possible results with the commissions lead machine software. Upsell number 4 is $297, which gives you the VIP. And this is the most intense and comprehensive traffic generation training and mastermind group on the earth. This is a roadmap for advanced online success and internet marketing mastery, strategically designed to teach you how to explode your business, attract new traffic, reinforce good habits and better practices, and take action with the support of a worldwide positive community. And I'm actually on that community. And they are phenomenal. You ask a question and they're pretty much right there. Somebody is right there in the group answering, like right there. Upsell number 5, that's another $297. It's the commissions lead machine software yearly license. So your customers will be able to save money by buying the yearly license of upgrade number 1. Here's some key benefits that you may be interested in getting. This is a brand new and unique system. Step-by-step video training, 100% free traffic, no tech skills or previous marketing experience needed, extremely fast and super effective, and takes no more than 30 minutes a day. Now we're going to quickly go through the sales page here. So commissions lead machine, reassuringly different and exceedingly effective in the shortest space of time imaginable. Well, yeah, okay, so that's a little hypey, but okay, so this says here, blueprint for generating high quality free buyer leads on demand and building a high 4-figure per month affiliate marketing business. Now that is proven because I actually know Neil personally, and I know he has maintained a high, like it says here, a high 4-figure income in his current program that he's promoting. So, and these are actually some of his personal results in his program OLSP. So now there's a little bit more of the sales page. Okay, now here's, like we've seen some of this before here too, they say things, like you've never seen any of this before, but you have. But actually, looking at, and when I had access to the back end of Commission's lead machine, I was very impressed with the training that Niels provided, because he's went step by step right from the beginning right to the end, and he's been very descriptive. He describes it right down to a T. So I am personally very impressed with Commission's lead machine. And this is some of the stuff that he actually offers with it as well. So, yep, and there's my mug there. You just saw pass by. And I'm just going to quickly show you here what I'm going to offer you if you decide to get Commission's lead machine on my link. So bonus number 1 is a super affiliate shortcuts with a value of $427.95. Bonus number 2 is viral secrets exposed. Bonus number 3 is the Link Supercharger software, the value of $344.95. Bonus number 4 is selling to the world, and bonus number 5 is adding the affiliate equation. So again, if you choose to get it from my link, click on the link below. And if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.